Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make a very yummy shallots gravy. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 1 cup of shallots, 1/4 cup of garlic, 3 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt for taste, half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder, some curry leaves and coriander leaves, 3 to 4 dry red chilli, 1/4 cup of sunflower oil, 1 big lemon size of tamarind, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and cumin seeds. First we need to soak the tamarind in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's start to cook. Switch on the stove and place one karai. Now I am going to add 1/4 cup of sunflower oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it's cracked well, we can add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I am going to add 1 cup of shallots. Saute well. Into this I am going to add 1/4 cup of garlic and 4 dry red chillies. Saute well until the shallots becomes translucent. Now the onions becomes translucent. This is the right stage to add the other ingredients. Now we can add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of fenugreek powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of chilli powder and some curry leaves. Saute well until the masalas binded with the shallots. Shallots are high in antioxidants, so it may improve blood sugar level and it's also good for heart and bone health. Now we are getting awesome color and the masala also binded with the shallots very well. Now I am going to add our tamarind water. And add salt for our taste. Mix it thoroughly and let it be cooked for 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. So that close the lid. Now 15 minutes over, let's see. Wow, excellent smell. Our gravy is almost ready. Finally, we can sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it once. That's all. Our yummy shallots gravy is ready to serve. It's a very best gravy for rice and its fragrance, taste, color, everything will tempt you to eat. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. And also support my new Tamil channel Dhatchu's Kitchen Tamil. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.